Hello guys.
Hi guys.
Welcome to Spicy Masala YouTube channel. My name is Hardik.
And I am Gabi, and in today's vlog we are going to shop for our wedding. Yes guys, you heard it right. We are about to get married and we need clothes for that occasion.
Yes, so we are heading to Ahmedabad.
We know some area where there are shops with such
it's
a
called
specific,
Ratanpole.
and they have a lot of shops with this specific celebrational clothes for weddings, for couples. So yeah, let's see what we get. Okay, we are in Ahmedabad and now catching rickshaw to get to that place with clothes.
Come.
Yes.
શું ત્યાં એમ સ્કૂલેથી લઈને આવ્યા છો? ત્યાં કેમ ભણે છે?
ये सीनियर में 5 वर्ष का है।
So guys, we reached the spot and I already see a lot of shops, as you can see over here and everywhere, with many different kinds of clothes. So that's where we are going to shop. Yes, we are waiting for our friend.
હું આવી ગયો ત્યાંથી પહેલા. શું? આવું I was like,
Guys, as
I was
you
like,
can
they are
see-
saying no for it or what? I was expecting they are saying no for it.
As you can see guys, it's very busy market and
I don't know if they're gonna hear you.
we are going to find a shop from our friend's recommendation. So we hope for nice clothes.
Hello guys.
Well guys, so we are
Sorry
here
to
cutting
interrupt.
for a minute.
Yeah.
Because here you will see that we are entering some shops and well,
Yeah, in these shops they are not allowing to record because of privacy, and also kind of they don't want to reveal them designers things, so they don't allow, but we somehow get to it in sneak peeks, so you will be see
here will be a little
Yes.
display and you can enjoy the
it.
view.
And after that shop, then we were for my clothes, and then we went for food.
As you see, the store is quite big and this was only the one room that we are showing on the side here, but they have like 3 or 4 floors and same were filled with shelves like this. Shop assistants are very helpful. How the appointment looks is mostly you just sit on the floor and they show you the designs, then at the end you can try whatever you like and make your decision up to your mind. As we said, we've been to quite a few shops, but we didn't get the permission to record the female wear shops. But later on the video you will see how Hardik is trying on his clothes, because one of the menswear store allowed us to make a video, so that you can see further. Let's move on.
Here we go. This is dabeli and this is vada pav. Dabeli and there is vada pav. So let's try it. Go. Naman, first you go. For vada pav. You are also in frame. Spicy? Not really? Not all. You can bite in one time. Small bite. Good?
The belly was so delicious that we got one more.
Really nice stuff.
Let's eat and move on back to our shopping. front.
So guys, this is my
Our final choice.
yeah, it's done for today then.
Do you like it?
Yeah, of course.
I
Otherwise we
love
don't
it.
wanna choose. So it's done.
Guys, this is our shop of choice, the one behind me. So if you would like to, they have very nice sherwanis in affordable price.
We left now from that market. As you say, I choose my clothes. Now we are
And my
going
also we chose,
now we are going for shoes for this.
which will be hard task. Oh yay!
We have
Which will be difficult task because of my shoe size.
Yeah, it's wonderful.
But let's try. Woo!
Let's finish it. Yeah, Bobby, leave.
It's really busy market. I'm a little afraid of the cars and rickshaws that are coming towards me. But there is a lot. And well, I don't have experience with it, like Hardik has. Okay. We are still looking because, as we said, my size is issue. Yeah.
Maximum.